Hi, Miles. You talking? You watching your mobile? Say hi, baby boy. Say hi. Oh, you're smiling. You give me a little smile. Oh, you're talking? Can you give me a big smile? Say hi, Mama. Oh, there's a little smile. There's a little smile. This is Miles' room. Nothing too exciting. All of his books that we got from the shower and from family. Say hi, baby boy. Say hi. You talking? Are you talking? Oh. I love you. I love you.